Hi there, so welcome to Chimp Cars. Just got a tip here for helping you to pass your driving test with the mirrors. You've got a blind spot mirror. These, we can pick them up on Amazon. They're very cheap to buy. I'll put a link in the description of this video so you can find the link for the one that we use. So with this mirror here, you can see there's already a blind spot line in the mirror there. And that's when we're overtaking vehicles. Just that extra field of vision just helps us to look into our blind spots so we don't have to check over our shoulder so much. But these mirrors here, they just expand that field of view so we get a much better view in our mirror when we're overtaking things or when we're planning to overtake things. And it also helps us when we're parking in a car park. So let me show you what I mean by that. So basically, all we need to do to pop these on is to make sure the glass is clean and dry. It's actually raining a little bit today, so let's give it a quick clean there and peel the back off. Right then, so looking in the mirror at the moment, you can see down the side of the car in that mirror, hopefully, but you can't see, there's a white line next to the car which you can't see. Now if I pop this on, right in the edge there, so now you can see in that little round blind spot mirror, you can see the white line that's alongside the car. And this white line here is really important because we're going to be using that when we're parking in bays. Maybe it could be a curb. And it's it's quite a useful thing to be able to see that white line in the mirror through the little blind spot mirrors. That's a real good thing. It makes it a lot easier to pass your driving test if you've got those on both sides of the car. And then also when we get out on the dual carriageways, that extra field of vision, these are actually adjustable. We can actually adjust them a bit and we can change it to a nice angle that we like. If we're going out on a long journey on the motorways, then we could adjust it so it gives us a better field of vision for motorways maybe. So I hope this tip helps. Find the link for these in our description and you can pop some of these on your car too, and hopefully you'll find it better and easier to pass your driving test with these fitted, and you'll be able to see the curbs, see the white lines all a whole lot easier. So hope that helps. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends.